Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I am super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Sony K55XR80M2 55-inch Bravia 8 QD-OLED 4K HDR Google TV, paired with the Kanto PMX700 Pro Series full motion dual stud mount. This bundle is a game changer, and I'm about to tell you why. First, let's talk about the pure black feature of this TV. With a high luminance panel and temperature sensor, the XR contrast booster precisely controls light for brighter, pure black pictures. What does this mean for you? It means that when you're watching your favorite movie or TV show, the blacks will be deeper and more realistic, creating an immersive viewing experience like no other. Imagine watching a space battle with stars and planets that seem to pop out of the screen. It's truly breathtaking. The real-world color feature, powered by XR Triluminos Max, takes it to the next level by producing billions of vivid, lifelike colors. These aren't just colors, they're an experience that draws you into the scene. Now let's dive into the powerful TV processing of the Sony K55XR80M2. The XR processor features an AI scene recognition system that detects and analyzes data with flawless accuracy, then optimizes the picture for ultimate realism. This means that whether you're watching a fast-paced action movie or a slow-burning drama, the TV will automatically adjust the settings to give you the best possible picture. And with dedicated buttons for your go-to apps, you can skip the TV warm-up and dive right into the action. No more scrolling through menus or waiting for the TV to load. Just pure, unadulterated entertainment. But what really sets this bundle apart is the Kanto PMX700 Pro Series full motion dual stud mount. This thing is a beast, and I mean that in the best possible way. With its horizontal offset feature, you can easily center your TV, regardless of the location of the studs. And the best part? The wall plate weighs less than 10 pounds, making it easy to install unassisted. No more calling in a professional or struggling with complicated instructions. Just you, the mount, and your TV. The full motion capability also means you can tilt, swivel, and adjust the TV to your heart's content, ensuring that you always have the perfect viewing angle. This bundle includes the Sony K55XR80M2 55-inch Bravia 8 QD-OLED 4K HDR Google TV with Quantum Dot, which is an absolute powerhouse of a TV. With its stunning 4K resolution and HDR capabilities, you'll feel like you're right in the action. And with Google TV built in, you've got access to all your favorite streaming apps and services at the touch of a button. The Kanto PMX700 Pro Series full motion dual stud mount is the perfect complement to this amazing TV, providing a sturdy and adjustable mounting solution that will keep your TV safe and secure. In conclusion, the Sony K55XR80M2 55-inch Bravia 8 QD-OLED 4K HDR Google TV with the Kanto PMX700 Pro Series full motion dual stud mount is an absolute must-have for any tech enthusiast. With its stunning picture quality, powerful processing, and easy installation, this bundle is the perfect addition to any home theater setup. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible bundle today. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's time to take your viewing experience to the next level. Let's do this.